Top 5 things to do in Miami, Florida. Picture this. You're in Miami. The heat is perfect, the music is loud, the ocean sparkles and you have no idea where to start. Don't worry, I've got you. Here are the top 5 things you absolutely can't miss when you're in Miami, Florida. From hidden gems to iconic hotspots, this list will help you live the city like a local with tourist-level excitement. Let's dive in. Number 5. Explore Wynwood Walls. Art lovers, this one's for you. But honestly, even if you're not into art, Wynwood will blow your mind. What used to be a rundown warehouse district is now a living, breathing museum of street art. Massive murals from artists around the world, bright colors, bold messages, and yes, it's totally Instagrammable. You can spend hours walking through the area, discovering art on every corner and popping into quirky coffee shops, vintage stores and edgy galleries. Here's the trick. Go during the day for the art and come back at night for the bars and rooftop lounges. Wynwood is two worlds in one. Number 4. Take a boat tour through Biscayne Bay. Miami is all about the water and the best way to experience it? By boat. Biscayne Bay offers you the chance to glide past Millionaire's Row, wave at Star Island, and catch breathtaking views of the city skyline. You'll see mega mansions owned by celebrities, palm-lined shorelines, and probably some dolphins if you're lucky. Want to turn it up a notch? Book a sunset cruise. The sky turns pink and gold, and the city lights start to sparkle. It's cinematic, romantic, unforgettable. Number 3. Visit Little Havana. This isn't just a neighborhood, it's a cultural explosion. In Little Havana, Cuban music spills out of every doorway. The smell of fresh cafecito fills the air. Men play dominoes in Maximo Gomez Park like it's a full contact sport. It's lively, proud, and packed with history. Make time for Calle Ocho, that's 8th Street. Try a Cuban sandwich, watch a cigar being hand-rolled, dance to live salsa in a local bar. You live with your heart full and probably a bag of guava pastries. Number 2. Relax at South Beach, but go beyond Ocean Drive. Yes, South Beach is touristy. Yes, it's crowded. And yes, you still have to go. But here's the move. Go early in the morning. The beach is calm, the light is perfect, and you'll feel like you own the place. Then walk along the Art Deco historic district. The buildings are like a pastel dream from the 1930s. Skip the overpriced drinks on Ocean Drive and head a few blocks inland for local cafes and hidden gems. Pro tip, rent a bike and ride along the boardwalk. Wind in your hair, ocean on your left, and maybe just maybe your best vacation day ever. Number 1. Visit the Everglades. And now, for something completely different. Just a short drive from downtown Miami, the Everglades National Park feels like another world. Airboat rides will take you deep into the wetlands. Alligators? Absolutely. Exotic birds? Tons. Wide open skies and wild untouched nature? Every single second. It's raw, real, and unlike anything else in Florida. And if you go at sunrise or sunset, the reflections on the water are next level magical. This is Miami's wild side and skipping it would be a mistake. So there you have it, 5 must-do experiences in Miami that go beyond the cliches. From street art and Latin soul to crystal waves and wild alligators, this city has layers. Have you been to any of these places, or do you have your own Miami favorite? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button if this gave you ideas, and get ready to fall in love with one of the most colorful cities in the US.